Zainab, you're graduating with a fashion design degree in February. You present your thesis in February.
Yes.
So, what got you into fashion design?
I wanted to be a doctor first of all, पहले, but MBBS में admission नहीं हुआ. Then I was like, I should go for something that I really like. तो fashion was something जो मुझे बचपन में पसंद था, but it was like मतलब मैंने बहुत उसको जो है ना दबा के रखा था, you know, कोई ऐसी चीज होती है जिसको दबा के रखा हो. तो fashion was something like that. So my mom was like, why don't you go for fashion? Why don't you pursue this as your career? I was like, yeah, I should go for it. Really, I can? My mom was like, yes, you can. So I got into AIFT, then continued from there.
How long was the program? 3 years?
4 years.
4 years. That's
4 years, but thesis को मिला के जो है ना 4 years and 3-4 months तो वो लग ही जाते हैं almost ना 4.5 months तो हो जाता है.
So तुम्हारा अभी thesis is in February.
February.
So what is the
yes.
thesis about?
Thesis basically we have to make 8 gowns. इसमें categories दी हैं हमें कि 2 knee length होने चाहिए, 2 backless, 2 deep neck and 2 floor length. जो floor length वाला है वो सबसे मुश्किल होता है. And like themes हमसे बोला कि themes बताएं, आप लोग लाके approve करवाएं themes. So we just have to search for themes, 5 to 6 themes. We have to ask our instructor कि कौन सी अच्छी है. She would just say this and go for it.
And you make these from scratch all by yourself?
All by ourselves. पहले तो सबसे पहले हमें डायरेक्ट काम नहीं करना होता, मतलब डायरेक्ट फैब्रिक पे वी कैन नॉट डू इट. वी हैव टू डू इट ऑन कैलिको व्हिच इज लाइक अ प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग. तो वी हैव टू make the whole gown on that fabric. That is like a कच्चा कपड़ा.
Right. Okay.
हाँ, तो हमें उस पे करना होता है पहले, and then once it's approved, then we can only go and transfer that to main fabric.
And you have to do this for each of the 8 gowns?
Yes.
And once you have those gowns ready, you present them like in front of a jury, वो जो architecture में होता है वैसे होता है, या how is it? How do you present your thesis?
No, we just make a display. सबके gowns होते हैं. We have to like present it on a mannequin. Depend करता है, floor length है तो head वाला mannequin होता है, वरना headless होता है.
ये भी अलग चीजें होती हैं.
हाँ, ये भी अलग चीज है. headless और उसके फिर पैर भी होते हैं वो वाले mannequin के. जो नी लेंथ होता है, बैकलेस और ये सब होता है, वो बेसिकली फ्लोर लेंथ नहीं करते हैं हम, उसको नी लेंथ ही रख लेते हैं.
And once you're
because
done with,
that's easy.
And once you're done with these gowns, what do you do with them once like your thesis is approved?
We just keep them.
You just keep them. Don't you like sell them or something?
No.
Why not?
Never thought of this.
Yeah, it's so how each student जो अपना thesis present कर रहे हैं उनका gown approve हो गया या जो भी thesis मतलब पूरा approve हो गया, they take the gowns and the dresses back with them. And
yes, that's it.
And then you're a fashion designer.
Fashion designer.
And then you're a fashion designer.
But we should sell it. Yeah, you told me. तुमने पहले भी कहा था कि you should sell it. You should think about it.
We had this conversation.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, why are you keeping it? Because you're working so hard towards it. Why are you not selling it, or at least having it on display at some well-known fashion design with some well-known fashion designers? So how do you once you're done with fashion designing, once you're done with your degree, when you're done with your thesis, what is the next step? Internships होती हैं?
Internships.
Because it's good for like the people who are watching this, they're supposed to know, what is, if anyone wants to do fashion design, is it like internships? Or वो आपको आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी देती है, या how do you go about it?
जो 4 years प्रोग्राम के अंदर जो एक इंटर्नशिप होती है जो मैंडेटरी होती है, उसके बाद हमें डिग्री मिलती है, वो वाली जो इंटर्नशिप होती है वो यूनिवर्सिटी देती है. बट उसके बाद जो करनी होती है वो पेड होती है. जो उसके बाद 4 years के बाद जो इंटर्नशिप होती है वो पेड होती है.
ढूंढते हो?
वो हम खुद ढूंढते हैं
और वो पेड होती है.
Yeah, and that's what I'm searching for right now.
That's what you're searching for right now. And that internship obviously can be as long as the fashion designer who you're working with wants, and then eventually it converts into employment. You interned.
Yes.
You told me you interned.
Yes,
How was the experience?
It was really good.
It was good?
It was really good. I got to learn about so many things. कि किस तरह practical work, किस तरह industry में काम होता है, किस तरह उसको हम करते हैं, और ब्राइडल किस तरह, जैसे स्टूडेंट तो अलग तरीके से करता है ना, और जैसे वो अलग होता है, वो अलग जब हम पढ़ाई वगैरह करें, वो दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट.
राइट.
बट जब मेन जो काम हो रहा होता है, जो हम बनाते हैं, फिर उसको हमें सेल भी करना है, तो हमें उसी लिहाज से बनाना है, वो दैट इज समथिंग रियली डिफरेंट.
तो ये सब डिफरेंट है, ब्राइडल डिफरेंट है, एवरीडे वेयर डिफरेंट होगा शायद. So all of them,
completely different.
they're completely different. I think the bridal would be more difficult to make as compared to the daily wears, I think.
Obviously.
So once you did your internship, did you think जो आप पढ़ रहे हो it is relevant जो आप काम करते हो उसके साथ वो सही relevance होती है कि आपका coursework prepares you well for your internship?
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि थ्योरी बहुत कम होती है. Mostly practical work है.
And that practical work you do at your university.
Yes.
And the university provides you with all of the infrastructure कि आपको कपड़ा provide करते हैं आपको. No.
University only provides the calico.
Which is the कच्चा कपड़ा.
Which is the कच्चा कपड़ा जिससे हमें prototype बनाना होता है.
And the rest is all
बाकी
yours.
the rest we have to buy because we don't have books.
Right, you don't have books in
yes.
this. I keep forgetting there are no books here.
No books.
So it's all like notes and physical
yes.
work?
Notes, physical work और measurements वगैरह वो जो हमें लेनी होती है हम वैसे लिख लेते हैं फोन वगैरह में notes ना कहीं पे भी लिख लेते हैं but वैसे books नहीं है.
But haven't you ever like considering our society haven't you got that stereotype कि जी ये fashion design क्या होता है तो दर्जी हैं?
दर्जी mostly लोग
है ना? How do you tackle that?
Obviously we're not darzi. We're not. Darzi doesn't know how to make a pattern. Darzi doesn't know how to उसको जो हम बताएंगे वो करके देगा.
वो करेगा.
He doesn't know how to put in your thoughts into the work.
And that is creativity, right?
Yes, that is creativity. और अगर आप किसी fashion designer के पास when you're going and if you want, for example, you're getting married, say you want your bridal जोड़ा, you're going to a fashion designer that you want something, so वो आपको आपके लिहाज से भी बताएगा कि this would look good on you, this would suit you.
Fashion designers are so expensive.
They are, yes.
My brother got married, I told you, 2 years ago, and they were looking for ये शादी के जोड़े, and they were going up till what 35, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. How do you quantify that amount? मतलब उसमें आप क्या 50 लाख रुपए का आप क्या लगा रहे हो उस कपड़े में?
वो तो बिजनेस है ना.
But 50 लाख रुपए.
तो
it's the brand, right? But are these brands worth the 50 lakh, 40 lakh?
Obviously not.
Not, right? I mean, I do agree ठीक है अगर आपको international brand जैसे Nike या Adidas कुछ भी खरीद रहे हो, उनकी fittings अच्छी होती हैं and they're very long lasting. Is it the same with the fashion designing? No, because you wear it once.
We can literally make the same dress आधी price में.
And आप in
But ये है कि फिर खुद energy उसमें लगानी पड़ेगी.
But the amounts are crazy.
Yes, that is.
It's anything about.
It's just the brand. It's nothing else.
You're into a lot of heavy metal music. So you're the only person I know in my girl friends wala circle who's into this kind of music. I think this is how we became friends.
And you're the only person I know in my whole friend circle.
In your whole friend circle?
Yes, whole friend circle.
Who's into all of this?
Yes.
So I think it's important for everyone to know that we're talking about heavy metal music.
Heavy metal.
Like वो मेरा भाई कहता है वो म्यूजिक नहीं है वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे लोग पीछे पतीले मार रहे हैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रहे हैं.
मेरी बहन भी कहती है कि चिल्ला रहे हैं ये लोग.
Do you think that kind of music helps you bring out your creativity?
Exactly.
जब तुम अपना फैशन डिजाइन करती हो और ये सारा काम करती हो.
Yes. Not only this, मतलब म्यूजिक जब अगर म्यूजिक की बात करो तो म्यूजिक टेस्ट is very diverse. I like old Bollywood music as well. Sometimes depends on my mood. सुबह सुबह मैं कभी वो भी सुन लेती हूँ. कभी योगा करते हुए I listen to metal music. Can you imagine?
You do yoga?
Yes.
How do you do yoga? How do you do it? I tried it twice. I told you I tried it twice, and मेरे में patience नहीं है. Because the whole idea of doing yoga is to sit down and clear your mind, and not have any thoughts. But all of my thoughts come during yoga.
आएंगी शुरू में. But you have to give it time. You have to sit, relax, give it 2 to 3 days. Then फिर देखो क्या होता है. You did for 2 days, right?
Only for 2 days.
Do it for a week, and then see a change.
देखो 2 दिन मैं जमीन पे बैठा था मेरे घुटनों में दर्द हो गया था.
अच्छा, you told me बेड पे बैठे थे.
मैं सोफे पे बैठा था. उसके बाद मैं सोफे पे बैठा because I sat down on the floor and I was like मेरे गोडे दर्द कर रहे हैं.
तो सोचा कि सोफे पे बैठ के योगा
मैं ऊपर बैठ के करूंगा, but it just didn't work. It just didn't do anything because all of my thoughts were coming in. So मैंने कहा ये तो नहीं हो सकता.
How did you do it? Like
I did it like the pose that you do when you sit down.
You just did the pose.
I just did the pose. I was breathing, of course. I was like doing my breathing exercises and everything. But then I gave up. I was like, I'm too restless and too impatient for this.
No. Depends के क्या है, मतलब you do wrestling ना, क्या था? Boxing, yes.
Yeah.
Boxing wrestling एक ही चीज होती है?
नहीं. Wrestling is ground game included. आप बंदे को उठा के जमीन पे फेंक सकते हो, बॉक्सिंग में ऐसा नहीं होता.
बंदे को जमीन पे नहीं फेंक सकते?
जमीन पे नहीं फेंक सकते, सिर्फ उसको मुक्के मार सकते हो.
Okay.
So
हाँ, तो डिपेंड करता है कि किसके लिए क्या सूट कर रहा है.
हाँ, मेरे लिए तो
yoga helps me a lot. Yoga has helped me a lot in so many things.
It calms you down, doesn't it?
It does. And previously, back in college, I was 39-40 kgs. I was literally anorexic. Literally. I used to eat this little.
Yeah.
Then I discovered, then I got into fashion after college. Then I made gowns. मैंने gowns बनाए, सब किया. Mannequin size के, standard size के gowns होते हैं वो. But जब मैंने देखा तो मैं उन gowns से भी पतली थी. I was like, ये क्या है? I wanted to wear these gowns. मैं उनको पहन के देखना चाहती थी. जब मैं पहनती थी मैं बहुत बुरी लगती थी. तो then I started eating. Then I started doing yoga. That has helped me a lot to gain some.
And apart from the whole gaining part, I think it's a lifestyle. It's a complete lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
You do it every day. You do
every single day from 5 to 6.
5 a.m. to 6 a.m. in
to
the
6
morning.
a.m. Yeah. And then I'm texting my friends, hey, how are you? They're like, तुम 5 बजे उठी हो, हम तो सोने जा रहे हैं.
But you're right. Okay, whatever works for you works for you.
Yes.
I feel like for me, boxing works and it helps me calm down. Although it's very violent, but it helps me calm down. Yoga for you might do the same. A lot of people, and I spoke about this in my Pichli Se Pichli podcast, and it was a very controversial opinion. But I said Pilates and yoga are they're too overrated.
Yeah, I know. I was so angry on this, first of all, because it's not.
Like, it's okay, I give Pilates a lot of opposition because I think it's useless.
I never tried Pilates.
You've never tried Pilates? Never. It's a waste of your time.
Really? It doesn't?
Yeah, you're better off doing yoga. And
yoga is something I can swear by.
You told me that you still listen to a lot of Marilyn Manson.
I do.
You do, right? So do I. But Marilyn Manson की एक बात है कि उसके जो album covers होते हैं वो बहुत flamboyant होते हैं. Like sometimes they're very colorful, but sometimes they're very dark. Do you think you take all of that inspiration and throw it into your gowns and your dresses? Is that what influences?
I do. There is this song, Sweet Dreams.
No, man, I love that song.
Do you see the colors in that song?
I have seen colors in that song.
That was my inspiration for my space theme in my mini thesis.
People think music is kind of useless. It doesn't help you a lot, but I think it helps you so much in whatever field you're in.
It does. Because we were literally working on some desi project जिसमें पाकिस्तानी कुछ मतलब पाकिस्तानी silhouettes नहीं थे but पाकिस्तानी prints थे. तो when I used to do the practice on that patterns वगैरह जब मैं बनाती थी तो I used to listen to old Bollywood music with my mom.
Yeah.
Because she's into old Bollywood, Kishore Kumar ये सब. तो I used to listen to that music. That has helped me a lot. जो मतलब फिर एक वो आपका माइंड उस स्टेट में चला जाता है तो आपको फिर वो जो है उसको प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट करने में मजा आता है.
Zainab, what do you think about fashion trends? Fashion trends change over time.
Yes, they do.
How difficult is it to keep up with the trends as a fashion designing student?
Because it's not difficult at all. खुद ही होता है. मतलब जब हम देखते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहे होते हैं, टीवी पे देख रहे होते हैं, आगे पीछे ट्रेंड्स आते हैं तो आइडियाज उसी ट्रेंड के लिहाज से हमें आ रहे होते हैं. जैसे पहले अगर हम थोड़े से फॉर्मल वेयर की बात करें फैशन में, पुराने जो ट्रेंड्स होते थे तो लोग पहनते थे फ्रॉक्स, गरारे और ये सब. आजकल लोग क्या पहनते हैं? ट्राउजर्स एंड लॉन्ग शर्ट्स और उस पर बना हुआ होता है काम बना हुआ होता है, इस तरह की चीज़ होती है ना, वो बना हुआ होता है. तो वो खुद ही मतलब चेंज होता रहता है, खुद ही आता रहता है.
So when one day you become a big fashion designer, तो तुम फिर मेरे भी कपड़े बनाओगी, एक गिफ्ट करोगी मुझे?
2 कर दूंगी.
2 गिफ्ट करोगी ना?
2 कर दूंगी.
So right now you only make female clothes, right?
Yes, female. I did male.
You did?
I did once in my mini thesis, जो तुम्हें पसंद आया था वो वाला, उसमें एक मेल था एक फीमेल था. That was the only male gown I made.
So do you plan in the future कि तुम दोनों बनाओगी या तुम
दोनों बनाऊंगी?
It gives you a better opportunity in the market. अगर आप सिर्फ फीमेल बना रहे हो तो उसमें तो बहुत,
और फीमेल और मेल तो फिर भी आसान है, बच्चों के कपड़े बनाना ज्यादा मुश्किल है.
वाकई बच्चों के कपड़े तो और
क्योंकि छोटे से होते हैं इससे.
But in the end, all I'm going to ask you is a very honest, I want a very honest answer on this. Do you think this field, fashion design, is easy to break into?
Depends again. Depends on how much you like it. How much I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with what I do. I love it. I enjoy it. I want to do it when I wake up.
But thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
And I'll probably have you here again if maybe after 3 months when you graduate and you start your internship.
I'm more than happy.
And then that is when I will request you to make something for me. Or Pimena, I'll wear it and I'll sit on a podcast with you.
अब तो ऐसी चीज बनाऊंगी ना,
वो
पहन के
वाले बनाना और उसमें पीछे अपना टैग भी लगाना.
इतने कॉलर्स होंगे, यहाँ तक कॉलर्स होंगे, यहाँ जिप होगी.
मैं पहनूंगा, मुझे मसला नहीं. You know my fashion design.
You have to wear it.
My fashion sense is dead.
You have to wear what I'll give you.
Done. I'm saying it on record. I will wear it.
बस done.
Done. Thank you again.